Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Be a little behind the scenes on some of the builds we got going on. This little pallet in front of us is going on this Pumpkin 392. I'm doing an AEV 2.5 inch dual sport XP suspension lift. Got the worn winch. We're also going to do AEV Borah wheels with the protection rings. 456 gears. And we got a Moab 392. We're doing Dana Ultimate 60s axles, which are 8 lug. Doing 513 gears, 40-inch tires. I think these are for the Pumpkin. We're also doing a long arm suspension kit, Evo coilover conversion kit. Got Method beadlock wheels. Walk over to the little parts storage room and show you the wheels. Here's your Method wheels. Got your Evo tire carrier. And then here's all the coilover suspension components. Rick and Forrest already got the front axle out currently. Just getting everything removed and prepared for the Dana 60 axles. So along with the Pumpkin 392 and the Moab 392, we also got a 41 Rubicon build. Gonna do 37's AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. And I believe we're doing worn wheels. Not sure on the specific type. Got a little TRX in action. Come over here and show you the axles that are in the crate. Some heavy duty axles for the Moab 392. But yeah, got a lot going on. Just be sure to stay tuned. I'll give you guys plenty of updates of when the Moab 392 is done. I'd imagine the Pumpkin 392 will be done probably by the end of the day, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below. Be sure to check out our website, crossjeep.com. You can also give us a call at 502-537-1738. Thank you.